How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the vlog. I have a very good feeling that today is gonna be a banger. Oh my God. We spent 4 hours trying to find this spot on Google Maps. We're fishing little irrigation ditches, little creeks. I don't even know what they are. They're just little creeks, and hopefully we can get on some big browns. That's kind of the hopes for today. There it is. Oh yeah, dude. That was sick. Oh.
I really don't want to let him get down that fast though.
Look at this. From the road.
I think there's more down there.
Alright. You want me to net you?
I might have you. This thing is torching me.
That is a nice fish, Nathan. You love that balanced leech, dude. Oh, that is a freaking fatty, dude. Oh no. Oh no.
I don't have anything to say.
So, what you guys just saw there.
It's pretty bad, to say the least.
That property owner said that we could not cross that fence, and so that's kind of why we were fishing from the road there. But there was a big one that kept on coming up there, so we had to try to fish it. So tried it at first with a sculpin. That didn't produce, and then Nathan tossed on a balanced leech, and that's what that thing ended up taking. But I think honestly, if we were from shore, I think we would have had no problem landing it. I don't think we would have, dude.
It wouldn't have been as hard as it was.
Yeah. We had to go up on that culvert and try to get it up there, but whatever. That's been the only fish that we've had a very solid take from and had on really solidly today, so we're a little bummed about it, but whatever. We're gonna go
get a bigger one.
We're gonna go get a bigger one. All right, we got permission on this creek right here from that culvert down, so I tossed in a little sculpin right there and ended up having a big boy come up for it. So I'm gonna switch up my fly to a balanced leech like Nathan had on earlier when that last one took. We're gonna see if we can get him. We left it originally to go get the net, and decided to go ask so we could land this fish actually. So let's see if we can get on one.
Set the hook. He doesn't fit in the fucking net.
Get him. Get him. Oh, God. God, bro. Holy crap. Oh, my Lord. This is a freaking giant, guys. Oh, hold that up real quick, dude. Oh my! after that fish, I'm gonna just let Nathan fish, because I am perfectly content with that thing. He's already hitting this spot. We're kind of just going to every area that this creek crosses underneath the road and just fishing the culverts. All right, he's getting into it. I gotta go over there. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I honestly don't know where I left off this vlog. It's kind of a mess. We were all over the place today and just running all around. I was super stoked about that brown. It was definitely one in a lifetime brown for sure. That's kind of, it was one of our first, it is the first time that I have ever hit that spot. Nathan's too. So I think it's definitely gonna be a good spot for us for now on. Nathan was fishing with the Montucky reel today, and also the Fly Project Squatch, which is a Fly Project rod. I don't think that's gonna be released. You can find those reels at North 40 in Great Falls. Also, we were throwing like sculpin patterns and stuff today too, and everything only hit on the balanced leech, which you can find those in North 40 as well. I don't think he's selling those on his website either, so they're a super awesome fly, and honestly it's pretty much the only one that we use when we're stripping. So
Go-to.
yeah, it's definitely the go-to, because it's just everything hits it seems like. We use it for carp, for browns, for rainbows. I mean, it's seriously, Cooper especially uses it for his golden eye, to set his new PB golden eye record. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I notice I don't say that in any of the end of my videos, but if you guys do enjoy these, make sure you like and subscribe. Like always, Nathan's Instagram will be linked down below. It's gonna be the first link right there. We'll link that the Montucky reel as well, so you guys can check out the specs on it. It's a super badass reel. Nathan, do you have anything else to say?
Tough day for me.
Nathan had a tough day.
Fish.
He had a tough day. He lost that really nice brown, but we'll get a redemption on that place for sure. Tune in next time where we catch GT on the Smith.